Hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share with you how did I achieve this look using the Estee Lauder products. And what made me to do it was the new Estee Lauder foundation. That's their Futurist Hydra Rescue. So if you're curious, please carry on. I have two available. First is the Illuminator Radiant Perfecting Primer Plus Finish. So let's see. So this supposed to make me look glowy. That gives you like that nice sheen. But I'm gonna go with the second one because always after I apply my skincare, my skin is shiny. What I'm gonna go for is the little sachet of their Desmurer Universal Perfecting Primer. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna smooth my skin. Okay, so it's like a jelly consistency. Alright, let's put this thing on. Oh, it's very light and glides. Yeah, you can already see on my forehead what it does. It did. Based on my forehead, you can already see what it does. It did smooth it out. Okay, you cannot see the smoothing thing, but you can see at least it mattify, and when I'm touching my skin, it does smooth. So the primer, it feels, let's say if you have pores or grooves or anything in your skin. Since I have primer on my face, I'm gonna go with the foundation. I'm gonna try one of their newer products, which is the Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup SPF 45. Let's see what it does. Moisturizing makeup. More than makeup. It rescues skin with soothing hydration and skin-loving ingredients. Includes probiotic technology, chia seed, and some kind of a water. Skin is plump with moisture and has instant radiant glow. Full coverage. Lightweight former immediately covers visible redness and diffuses the look of imperfection and spots. Looks flawless and smooth. Stays color true all day wear. And there's like bunch of testing approvals. Let me just shake it because of the SPF. I'm gonna apply first on my hand to see how it looks. Okay, it comes in a tube with a pump dispenser. Based on the reviews which I watch on YouTube, a lot of people do enjoy it. Okay, so it's runny texture. Okay, it does feels nice. It's like satin finish. Okay. Since I have redness and breakouts, now I have the perfect opportunity to give a try for this foundation. Let me go with the brush and then with a sponge. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it did cover nicely. You know what, let me go with the sponge because with the brush it's gonna be a while. And since the foundation it's very liquidy, the brush is gonna absorb a lot. I applied the foundation to this half of my face, and yes, it did cover. Besides going nicely on the skin, it's very light, and I would say my skin, it feels like, you know what, this is like extra layer of moisture, I should say, your skincare, but in a foundation form. Alright, I'm gonna apply the foundation to the rest of my face. I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I do like the way how does this foundation looks. It covers, but you can still see a little bit of the skin. Yeah, I'm sure you can make it full coverage foundation, putting another layer, but you know what? I like the way how it is now, and I'm gonna leave it. But yeah, let's just take a look. It is pretty. Since I have my foundation on, I'm gonna do eyes and then move over to the rest of my face. But let me go for the eyes first. That's their Duo Estee Lauder Signature Eyeshadow in number 2, Amber Honey. I believe that was one of their, this was one of the free gifts, but I'm sure they have it in a regular size, or should say, you can buy them in a regular version. Here we go. So I'm gonna apply the light and color all over, and also underneath my brow. So that's gonna be like my brow highlight. The darker shade I'm gonna apply in my crease. This duo is very neutral, so you can make easy look. It looks like I can put that darker shade all over and I'm gonna still get a nice look. But on my lids I'm gonna apply their bronzer. That's one of their classic. It's a Bronze Goddess Soft Matte Bronzer. During summertime they come in with many different versions of this bronzer. It comes in like a, I don't know, bronzy package with a brush, and that's the bronzer. Here we go. There's not too much difference, but you know what? Let me just keep going, and then I'm gonna go with that darker shade in my crease again. I'm gonna go again with the darker shades in my crease. I should say just to blend out, let's say blend the edges, so you're not gonna see too much difference in between the colors. Moving on, I'm gonna go with the primer. That's the little black primer. I went through many tubes of it and I do like it. Why? It's like a hairspray for your lashes. It's gonna keep them in place, but also if you in a rush you can just use this one because it comes with color. A mascara, I'm gonna use one of the samples, Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. Currently I have a lot of mascaras which are open, that's why I don't wanna open a new tube and I'm going with the sample. It does separate the lashes and make them look longer, and I'm sure the more you apply it, the more thicker they're gonna be. Get the mascara. And now I'm gonna go with the Double Wear Infinite Waterproof Eyeliner, which I did use previously and I do like it. It's a black eyeliner, but it stays in place. So I'm glad I have another one. The pencil, it's really creamy and it will stay. I'm gonna apply it in top of my waterline. Now the eyes, or I should say the lashes, have a little bit more definition. Those are my eyes after I apply mascara and black eyeliner. For the brows, I'm gonna go with the brow gel. At the moment, I don't have any brow color from them, but you know what? The gel will be fine. So this is brow gel. This is like a hairspray for your brows, so it's gonna keep them in place. I'm gonna powder my face with the pressed powder in light medium, yeah. And of course you're getting that nice chic package. I have two of their blushes. It's Pure Color Envy Sculptuous Blush and comes in two shades. This one is Sensuous Rose, this one it's Lover's Blush. Huh. Okay, that's it. You know what, let me go with this one. Since it's such a natural look, I'm gonna go with the darker shade, but then this one you can use every day, or I should say, yeah, the other blush, it's very gentle, so you can use it every day. But because my makeup, yeah, my face look, it's more natural, I choose a little bit brighter shade. Okay. What else we have left? Oh, let's go back to the bronzer, and I'm gonna apply it in the high points of my face, or should say the points where sun's supposed to hit you, to make it more natural. I'm not gonna apply a lot, but just a little bit to warm up my skin tone. Now I have few options for the lips. I'm gonna start with their lip pencil in Nude. That's the sheet of the pencil. The pencil comes in a crayon. It's not stiff, but at the same time it's not like creamy. It has that perfect consistency where you can just slide it all over your lips. Yes, Estee Lauder has many lipstick, but at this moment I don't have one from them. I should say I have it, but I don't like the shades, so I'm gonna stick with the glosses, and I would say that's one of the safest options to go. Those are, I think those ones are from their Blockbuster collection, and this is the regular one. But let's say like this one, it looks dark, but when you apply it, okay, this is very provocative, but when you apply it, you can easily sheer it out. Next one is the Magnificent Mauve, which is a nice wearable shade. And then we have Inspired Mauve. Okay, all those mauvey colors. This is really barely there lipstick. Yeah, you cannot even see it. I'm gonna go for this one, even though it's dark. Oh, in reality I could just finish like this. Combination of those two gives the color on my lips, and I think that's it. I'm sure I have more items in my collection, but because there are limited edition, I'm not gonna include that here because you cannot really buy it anymore. By the way, I'm trying to take off the swatches, and look, this thing stays. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Bye.